So I came to visit my parents, and when I wanted to leave, to go home again, I entered my car and it would not start. It's not even cranking. It doesn't show any type of errors, any type of faults. It just does not crank. It looks like a starter relay clicks, but after that nothing happens. The Porsche is on the flatbed and it's going to the shop, where I hope they will fix it and it will not cost me a fortune. So it's a week later now and the car works, it starts, everything is well okay. All they have done is they've changed the starter solenoid. It was a faulty solenoid, and the solenoid itself, you know, it costs around 23 euros, or it's like 25 United States dollars. So it's really not an expensive part. The labor was a little bit more expensive, but you know, it depends on the country. So it was not really a big problem. It was a big problem. It was really not an expensive problem, but it was a big problem because the car didn't start at all. But now it works, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the car, and now it works very well. Of course, it did give me a little bit of headache, but I'm lucky to have a second car, so I had another car for the time. Everything is fine now. I'm very happy. So if your Cayenne does not start, it may not be the end of the world. Thank you and see you next time.